Good morning and welcome to 2018. It's been a long time since my last vlog. I've literally just got back from the Autosport Show yesterday, so I thought it was worthwhile giving you guys an update as to where I'm going this year, where the channel's going to go this year, and yeah, just what the general plans are really. So Autosport Show always kicks off the British motorsport season. As someone put it, everything before the Autosport Show, so the end of 2017 for example, is everyone talking about what they're going to do, but then everything after the Autosport Show is what people can confirm and what they're going to be doing. Very productive show for me. It's very good to just turn up and network. You don't make any plans, you just walk around and bump into people, and very productive for me. I've got quite a bit of coaching work confirmed with Want to Race this year, which is very, very exciting. So they're GRDC Plus champions for 2017, so they're going to be coming back with a 4-car assault on that championship, as well as 2 GRDC cars as well. So that's a competition winner, James Crawford, that I helped pick at the end of last year, so that's very exciting to see how he'll get on in his first race season. And then in the GT5, Adrian Campbell-Smith is back to defend his amateur championship win, and then also there's a very exciting announcement that Brett Ward, the 2017 Rotax World Karting champion, as well as multiple British champion as well, will be joining the team in the GT5 Pro series. So I'm looking forward to working with him and then getting the Want to Race brand up the front of the GT5 grid as well. In terms of my own plans, I'm looking to return to the British GT4 Championship. Plans and talks are well underway for that so far, so that is very exciting to be working towards that. It's going to be with a new manufacturer to the British GT Championship for 2018, so just tease that little bit there for you, but it's going to be an awesome year. Speaking of new manufacturers, actually, at the Autosport Show, the Invictus Games Jaguar F-Type SVRs were launched, GT4s were launched, which looks fantastic. Having worked with Team Brit in the past, who deal with British Racing injured troops, so they deal with injured troops and rehabilitating them using motorsport, it's been very exciting to see how the Invictus Games team get on in the British GT Championship. I mean, it's going to be their first year in it. It's going to be a very competitive championship to be involved in, but I know the drivers from that series, they have had previous motorsport experience, so yes, it'll be interesting to see how they get on. Car looks awesome. The truck looked amazing at the Autosport Show as well. So yeah, can't wait to see those out in anger and out on circuit. As well as the modern stuff, I will be doing a bit of historic racing this year as well, to follow on from last year. My co-driver Graham Wilson, he's kind of winding back some the amount of racing he's doing for 2018, so it'll just be a couple of select events, which will be good, but it also gives me the opportunity to branch out into a couple of other events. And off the back of the success we've had last year, I've had a couple of offers that I'm looking to pursue and take up for the 2018 season, so excited about that as well. Yeah, as mentioned, lots of coaching going on, both track days and race teams as well. So I'm also going to be working with a Fiesta Junior team, which will be exciting. So it's Mutation Motorsport in the BRSCC Fiesta Junior Championship. Greg, who runs the team, has just set up the team. He ran Ben Green in his first year of the Ginetta Super Cup, as well as his single year in the Ginetta Junior Championship as well. So I'm looking forward to getting on board with those guys, getting out in car with some juniors, which is always interesting and exciting when there's a 14-year-old piloting you around one of Britain's circuits at over 100 mile an hour. Lots of track day stuff work coming up as well. I'm very involved in the Lotus community, so we'll be jumping in quite a number of Exesias. I've got a couple of dates in February booked up, so nice and early in the year as well, which will it's very exciting for me to get back on track early on in the year, rather than having to wait till the weather's a little bit nicer. So I'm sure we'll be slipping and sliding around the Silverstone National Circuit is where we're booked in to do, in the Lotus Exige. So yeah, looking forward to and excited about that. My lease is also out for rent this year again. Had a very successful year last year. we're partnering again with the Gold Track organisation. So there's a number of dates available in which there's part rentals available, so you and up to 4 friends can rent the car for the week for a day. Or one-to-one, all the way up to one-to-one sessions, and that's at some of the UK's best circuits, Brands Hatch Grand Prix, many days at Silverstone Grand Prix circuit, and all with some serious lineups of cars and some very able and capable track day drivers. So it always guarantees a very, very good day. So very happy to be joining with Gold Track again. So yeah, make sure you check out the link in the description below to check out those dates, and please get in touch if you wish for any track training at all, and a car hire at all as well. So yeah, that's pretty much everything for me. I think the biggest development is going to be on the racing front, which I'll update you when I can in the next couple of weeks. So yeah, very exciting, and then hopefully tease a couple of photos for it as well. So thank you for tuning in for my 2018 update, and yeah, we'll catch up in the next couple of weeks when hopefully things are developing and starting to come together for the season. Very, very excited, can't wait to bring you along for the journey.